Hello guys, welcome to this training session. This is week 1, video number 5 for the digital marketing class. I hope you're having a blast. I hope you're having fun. And so today we're going to talk about how to use Facebook Pixel to track data on your website. We're still emphasizing on data. Data is very, very good for you to understand as a digital marketer, and why we are laying so much emphasis on how to track your data even prior running your ads or doing other things to drive traffic to your website. So Facebook Pixel is good because it allows you to retarget people that visit your website. It allows you to actually build custom audience or lookalike audience of people that comes to your website. I will talk more about that over time. Then it allows Facebook to understand who your audience are, and over time your ads get better. So basically I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook pixel, and how to maybe look at data over time, or how to use it to track data over time. So let's dive deep into this. But because I already have an account with Facebook, Facebook allows you to just have a single ad account, but you can add a business account that accommodates other ad accounts, like about 5 accounts for personal, and if you're using it for business, you can add as many as possible over time. But for this purpose, you guys are going to have to use either a personal account or a business account that is 5 ad accounts. I will advise that you just use a business account, because a business account allows you to operate away from your personal account, and if a business account is blocked, you can still use multiple more. But if your personal account is blocked, then it means that all your ad accounts are blocked, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can't run ads again, and there are so many reasons why Facebook will block you. I will also recommend that you read the terms and conditions before you start running ads, but I'll talk more about it over time. So let me show you how to create a Facebook pixel. First and foremost, okay, I won't be able to create a pixel here. Let me show you why. Because I can only create just one single pixel per ad account, per personal ad account. But once I have a business account, I can create as many as possible. So let's see. Okay, so let me see. Can you see that you can only create one pixel per ad account? So I can't create a pixel from my personal ad account, but I can create as much pixel as possible for my business account. So how do you create a business account for the issue of this tutorial? So let me show you quickly how to create a business account. You need to just go to Facebook. I think it's business.facebook.com. I'm not sure it's facebook.business.com. I think it's open. Okay, so it's business.facebook.com. So once you have gotten here, all you have to do is to create an account, and you just enter your Facebook ad account, and you can follow through all the setup criteria that you need to follow through, and that way you can create your Facebook ad account majorly. So once you are done, it's going to take you back to this place. So let me see. Okay, so let me go to my ad accounts here. My business ad account. So let me just go to Facebook. Business. Okay, it's business.facebook. Business.facebook. Okay, let me go here. So once you're finished creating your ad account, this is where you come. So because I have a lot of ad accounts, a lot of business ad accounts, so I'll just choose one of my ad accounts. So let's see what's happening. So let me just choose this. So now I'm ready to create my business, my Facebook pixel, and let me just navigate quickly. So you go to Business Manager settings. That's where you create your pixel from. And when you're using Business Manager, when you're using your personal ad account, you can just create it under assets, I think, or analytics, whatever you find it. You see your pixel, then you create a new pixel. So data source, click on data source. There you go, pixel. Then once you click on that, then it prompts you to create a new pixel. So I can add a new pixel here. So once I do, you enter your website. It's optional. You can see you can create up to 100 pixel with your business account. You can see, so you can just create an account. You can create a pixel, and once I have my pixel, it's automatically set up, and you can add it to some work. Let me do that again. Create. Okay, so okay, this is what I clicked on before. So right now it's set up my pixel now. So I can either connect it to some e-commerce platforms like Shopify, like Squarespace, like WooCommerce and stuff like that, or I can manually install it on my laptop on my website, or I email it to my developer. So this is the code that you need to use. So this is the code here, and once you copy the code, you can send to your developer that way, or you just use the email instruction to send to your developer, or you connect directly to a platform. And like I said, if you are using WordPress, bravo, just look for a plugin. You can get a plugin that will allow you to install pixel or Facebook pixel on your website directly, and you don't have to paste and add a code to your website. So this is basically how to create it. Then what you need to do is add that pixel to your website, and once you have that, then you can install something called Facebook Pixel Helper. That's what I just showed you here, and that way you can know if your Facebook so this is a Chrome plugin, and once you have that, then you can tell when the Facebook is active. So when the Facebook is active, let me show you. You see that it turns green. It turns green when it sees that. You see that? So that means that it's seeing that there is Facebook pixel on the page. Understand? So basically, that's how it works. So, and once you start running an ad, you can tell what is happening with your ad with a Facebook pixel. That is how easy it is. So I hope this video training, or this part of the week, this video 5 training is going to help you to be a better digital marketer. So do have a great day and enjoy.